Hello everyone. Are you guys preparing for a placement? Is it your dream to get placed in a campus recruitment? Don't you have enough resources to get close to your dream? What if you have a bunch of materials to practice for the written test? How about this? Uh, what if you have a personal guide and gives you assistance throughout your entire recruitment process? Sounds interesting, right? So we are providing a membership offer for as 119 per month. People who join to this membership will get benefits like 2 mock interviews per month, a bunch of free materials, and previous year test papers for any campus drive. And we are providing personal assistance for your entire recruitment process. So what are you waiting for? Click the join button under the TechMyHire channel, take the membership, and become a member of our TechMyHire channel family and get close to your success.